Things over here is going to go off because its signal is somehow good. Oh!
Western Jefferson County in Big Bend of Florida. Northwestern Taylor County in Big Bend of Florida. Southwestern Madison County in Big Bend of Florida. Until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles northwest of Perry, moving west at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cody, Goose Pasture, Hell's Half Acre, Edo, Ep, Lamont, Caps, Norris, Ear Idu, Nash, Cabbage Grove, Thomas City, Driven, Ekanthina, Lakebird, San Lu, Honkina, Wassisa, Boyd, and Wassisa Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Jefferson, Madison, and Taylor. These are the 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions. At the Tallahassee Airport, thunder was reported. The temperature was 87 degrees. The wind was north at 7 miles an hour. Wind was east.
Damn it! No, you go up here. No! You cord. Sing.